Alright, recording now. What's up, guys? Welcome back. My first video on Capuchin. What do you want? I'm gonna make a video. Go. Where was it? Oh yeah, Capuchin. Capuchin. However you say it. I don't know how to say it. Okay, God, it's so weird when I say it. But yeah, so we're gonna be trying these horror maps. I heard they were pretty fun. Like, try a little bit of horror maps. Alright. Okay. Oh, why's my game glitching? What's up with my game? Okay, we're good now. Ooh, scary fire. Ew, it's a monkey. Yeah. Oh, snap. I got launched. Yeah. Move. Horror. Yup. I'm going little box. Why are my hands broken? What are those? I gotta like bend my wrists just to have these straight. But what's the timer for? Ooh, this is a map. I'm assuming I'm blue. Yeah, it's moving. Moving right there. Oh, what's moving? I heard something. What are the red things? So, I'm gonna go to that one. Oh, I don't like it. I don't like this one bit. Why is everything so dark? This way. What's the red thing? What's that beating? Does it see me? Ew. I don't like you. You look like something off of Five Nights at Freddy's. Oh, what's that noise? Is it coming after me? I still don't know what the timer's for. Ooh, I don't like those little white boys. Ooh. Don't you dare move a step. Okay, I'm kind of chill. Okay. This beat go hard, bruh. I'm gonna have to rap. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You better stay there. Yeah. You look kind of scary. I don't like you. Crazy bars. Oh, okay. Okay, it's your turn to rap now. Okay. Ooh. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. It's not better than mine, though. Do you move? Alright, I'm kind of scared, bro. We're gonna have to fight. You don't quit. I want you to move, but I don't at the same time, because you're creeping me out. You know what? I'm getting mad. Get over here! Oh. Wait. No. I know what the timer's for now. Get away. Uh-oh. My game froze. Uh-oh. Did I die? Oh, thank God. Oh my God. That creeped me out. Why did I go back to spawn? Yeah. No! No! Do I beat anything in that level? How do I win? I don't even know. I don't want to start this one. This one look like creepy. And this one also creepy. What is that? Ew. Alright. Try it. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, no. No. I don't consent to anything that's going on right now. Why is there a rock wall? I don't like one-way entrances. How do I get out? Am I just supposed to go this way? What's the point of having that? Okay. I thought the wall disappeared. Okay. I'm just on my way. Just going in a straight line. It's kind of spooky. Dude, Jesus! Oh my God! Oh! No! I'm trapped! Wait, where'd the wall go? No, I ain't going down there. Is it coming after me? Oh God! Go! Dude! What are you? No. Yeah, I'll take that face. Another rock wall? No. Wait. The wall. It's gone now. Run. I feel like it's coming after me. Oh, I don't like tight spaces. I'm claustrophobic. Don't do this to me. Go. Guys, which way do I go? You go this way. Okay, okay, just stick to the plan. Oh no. Wait, it's closing. No! Go back. Wait, but the entrance is... No! I just died. Oh, wait, what the heck? What the heck? I just died. Where am I going? Oh, come on! What the scary spaces? Oh, I don't like that. Don't do it! I do. Is that an AR? Yo! Oh, snap, what is that? What are you? Oh, snap. Is that a laser? Chill. Oh, but I'm allowed to go under this space. Oh, God dang it. What was that? Yo! It's like a boss fight or something? Dang. Don't do it. Imagine getting laid out. Okay, go. Go. Dang it didn't work. Okay, I'm gonna have to do some creepy skills. Y'all are gonna see me sit in one place for like the longest time. I'm shooting them. What is that doing? Oh, his health is low. dead? Oh, it took for. Whoa, what are you? Slow pokes. We're not doing that again. No, no. No, go home. Go home! Let me go home! I don't like this no more. The game made me scream. Bro, I scream so loud. We're not gonna talk about that, okay? Oh, my grandma calling for me now. Well, anyways, that was my attempt on that thing. See y'all. Oh, and I almost forgot. If you like, subscribe, and have fun.